This is the Nextbase 222x dashcam with a plug-in rear view camera. For those of you unfamiliar with Nextbase, they've been around since 1999, so it's a brand you can trust. The kit comes with a sturdy window mount, and the camera snaps on and off with a magnet, so you can easily take it away with you to avoid theft. And I've routed the wires over the top and around into the cigarette lighter for power. The front camera records in 1080p and the rear in 720p. Whilst not the highest resolution, it's clear enough to provide solid evidence for insurance purposes. Now, why get a dash cam? Think of it like insurance. You hope you never need it, but it's invaluable in a crash. Imagine someone pulls out suddenly from the side and you have a collision. Without footage, it's often your word against theirs, and your insurance may split the blame 50-50. That could mean paying out the policy excess and higher premiums even if it wasn't your fault. And not to mention, you will have the headache of needing to declare an accident for up to 5 years. But with dashcam footage to show third-party fault, that same claim may actually be settled in your favour. I'm using a 128GB memory card here, which is enough to hold all the footage for my daily commute, but when full it overwrites the oldest file so you never run out of space. And because it records both the front and the rear at the same time, touch wood, you will never need it, but it's there if you do.